As we prepare for the holiday seasons, one of those great plants that we often see this time of year is the Norfolk island pine. Now, this is not actually a pine. It is native to Norfolk Island, which is outside of New Zealand and Australia. These trees were first seen by Captain James Cook, and he noticed how upright and erect these were, thought that these would be great for masts and sailing, but come to find out, they're probably better suited for ornamental Christmas trees as we use them here in America. Now, these will not grow outdoors typically unless you're in a coastal area such as California or Florida. These are semi-tropical. But what's great about them and what we love is that they are conifers and they are evergreen. They've got this beautiful symmetrical growth that makes them great for utilizing as ornamental Christmas trees indoors. And you can buy these smaller ones, and you may notice there are several stems here because they plant several of the saplings together in order to make it look fuller. Now, it isn't recommended to separate them, but you could try and get several out of these. But look how full these look, and you can bump these up as they grow into larger pots such as these here, into 2-gallon, 3-gallon, 5-gallon, and they can get very tall. Now, these are very slow growing, but you can continue to grow them indoors. So keep it in a bright area. Make sure it gets lots of moisture and sunlight. You can keep it on a patio, but keep it protected from freezing temperatures. You can bump these up into larger size pots year after year and decorate them as your own indoor living Christmas tree. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.